hold this right here at my eyes. This is now the POV, holding the flashlight for your dad.
Hold on, I hold the tank.
Hey guys, what's going on? Hope you're having a good day. If not, hope this video helps make your day a little bit better in more ways than one. You can either learn or just have some entertainment for the night or whenever you're watching this. So today, as you can tell by the thumbnail and title, we are going to be replacing the fuel pump on our Dodge Neon race car. If you're new to the channel, because we've gotten a whole lot more views and subscribers since we've started dirt late model racing. If you're new, this is our first car on the channel. Alton raced an Accord for a few races before we got this car out on the track, but PB raced this. We've won 4 races at Black Course in it, which was a 1/4 mile dirt track, which is where it works best, but that track has closed. Dixie has opened up, or back up this year. April 6th is the first day. Tomorrow, March 8th, there's an open practice at Needmore. All classes are open. So if we can get this done tonight and it's working, we may try to get out there to that. If we don't, then it's not the biggest deal, but Needmore and Dixie are both 3/8, so we can kind of get a feel for it. But either me or my dad are going to be racing that race. We're not sure yet, or I'm at least not sure. They may have already decided, but we're going to go ahead and get into replacing the fuel pump on this and just getting it back ready into racing condition, because she's been kind of neglected. As you can tell, I mean, some of the paint is not in the best condition, and also she could use a wash. And that's something I want to start doing, is kind of just taking better care of the cars, because this was treated us well. It's got us multiple wins at Black Course, and so she's been a good car to us, and we need to take better care of her. But we are racing, so we need to get her in racing condition. Alright, so if you're having to replace one yourself on a Dodge Neon 2005 with the 2.0, not sure if that really matters, but it is a 2005. I know the years probably change, or the gens. So underneath the passenger door, right there is where your fuel pump is. So one video I watched, they didn't drop the tank, and then in another they did, or in the others they did. So maybe we won't have to, but we probably will end up having to drop the tank down from the car fully. So let's just go ahead and start working on that. We're going to try to get this done tonight, but daylight, as you can see, is going to start running out, and hopefully we'll have some light underneath the carport, so we'll see. Alright, so where are we at? Right there is a bolt, and over here's a bolt. Here. And this is a 15.
That's what you said.
Yeah, I'm telling the video.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, the whole thing comes down.
There you go. Alright, now.
Whoa. Alright, so what we're working on right now is still getting the fuel line off the fuel pump. And yeah, just still trying to get it down. So sorry if this isn't the most entertaining, but it's something that we got to get done to get this thing back running. And so I figured we'd take y'all along for the journey.
Alright, let's get this thing up there and see. Here, take it up there. Oh, foot, did that thing corrode off in there or what? Oh, yeah.
You see this right here, right underneath though?
I think we ought to pump that gas out.
Yeah.
Let's get your thing and pump that gas out.
Okay. Yeah, so we didn't You gonna do that today?
Yeah.
Dude, we getting this thing running tonight.
Yeah.
I don't know that that's what it stands for.
Hold this a second.
Oh yes, I get to take my old job and just hold a flashlight. Now you're holding a flashlight and a camera. With a flashlight. So you got 2 flashlights, so you can mess up twice as much. Oh, great. This first person flashlight holding right here. POV, you holding your flashlight for your dad.
Yeah,
this right here at my eyes. This is now the POV holding the flashlight for your dad.
Hold on, I hold the tank.
I think it's going on crooked.
Here, let me spray. Shoot. Spray a little WD-40 or something on this right here.
PB, go get us out there in the house.
Out there. I've been demoted to Connor's job.
I've been promoted to flashlight holder. Okay, so a little update while we're just kind of trying to also figure this out and just get it on there correctly. We got the fuel tank dropped, put the new pump in, and that's where we're at. But we also, here's the old pump and a broken Harbor Freight gas siphon pump that we couldn't get the old gas out. That's what I'm getting at. So there was like something that looked broken off in there. We got that out, but we didn't get the old gas out. If that's an issue later on, we'll get to that road when we cross it. It just ain't gonna happen.
I'm not spraying it on you, because then I'll get yelled at.
There's a cat playing in the toolbox. They make this look so easy online, and we don't. That's the Henry boy's way.
Right, that's it. Right, that's popped in right there. That's pushed in.
Fuel pump is on. Now it's time to put the tank back up. Well, I'm putting the box on over here by the box. There's like some fuel thing right here. I don't know what it is, guys, to be honest, but gotta put in 2 bolts right there.
Once he gets that box on, we can put the other tire on and put the
Alright, this thing's about to die, so I'll catch y'all up whenever we kind of get it more put together. It's just putting everything back together now. Alright guys, so this is going to be the first crank for this thing since Black Horse.
turn it on and let us see if we hear the pump energize. Don't crank.
I hear the fuel pump.
Alright.
Let's go! More?
The gauge move any at all?
For fuel?
Yeah.
No, I don't think it has. I thought it did at first. Okay, that could be a small hiccup, because right now, that is reading low, but it looked like there was plenty of gas in the tank, at least from what I could see. But the car is on and working. How good it's gonna work, not sure. We'll look at that tomorrow, maybe before we go out to, if we do go out to need more. If not, we'll run it around here some, because the problem of my last Black Horse race, the last race that this car ran, was the tent is usually supposed to be about here, but it's all the way up here, which is not good. So that's the only thing, and that's in a long run in when usually we're racing in second gear. So that's like our only issue, is whenever we're running second gear. Whenever you shift it into third, it does come down some, but it's on, it's working. So thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for this car to race. April 6th is what we're looking at. The opening weekend for Dixie Speedway. We've raced it before. We know this car and the gearing in it is not good for that track, but hey, we're just out here to have fun with this car, especially since we got that thing right there. That's now our more main competition car for, like, okay, we want to try to do really good in this, because we know that this thing with the gearing at certain tracks just doesn't work like a 3/8. It works great at a quarter mile. I was just slow. So, but I do want to push it at Dixie if I race. If he races, we'll see what he does. But I know I want to push it and do the best that this thing can do. So I'm pumped about it. So yeah, just stay tuned. I'm really pumped.